In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Klaviyo from your Shopify store. If you've decided it's the right time to take this step, you're in the perfect place. I'll guide you through every click and every setting, ensuring you're confident and clear about the entire process. Let's start at the very beginning, your Shopify homepage. Once you've logged into your account, you're going to want to head directly to the lower left corner of the screen, where you'll find a gear icon labeled Settings. This is your go-to dashboard for all of Shopify's configurations, so it's essential to know how to navigate it for occasions just like this one. After clicking on Settings, you'll be taken to a page featuring different categories related to your store. Here, you need to locate Apps and Sales Channels. Clicking on this option will grant you access to a comprehensive view of all the apps that are currently integrated with your Shopify account, alongside their respective settings and functionalities. Once you're in the Apps and Sales Channels section, you'll see a list of all installed applications. Here, scroll until you find Klaviyo. Next to the Klaviyo app, you'll notice 3 dots, an icon that typically denotes additional options. Click on these dots, which will bring up a new menu. This menu gives you the option to uninstall Klaviyo. This is the key step in removing the app from your store. Clicking uninstall will prompt Shopify to ask you a reason for the uninstallation. This isn't just a procedural question. Your feedback can be incredibly valuable for developers. So, choose the option that best represents why you are removing Klaviyo. Whether it's a feature issue or you're shifting to an alternative platform, select the most accurate option. Following that, Shopify provides you the opportunity to leave any additional feedback for Klaviyo. This is your space to communicate privately with the app developer. If you have specific insights or suggestions that could help improve their service, feel free to share them here. This is an excellent opportunity to offer constructive feedback. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking uninstall once more. And that's it. You've successfully removed Klaviyo from your Shopify store. Always ensure that you truly want to remove an app before finalizing this decision, as this action can't be undone easily. By following these steps, you not only streamline your store's operations, but also refine your app integrations to best suit your business needs. Thank you for tuning in today, and feel free to explore other guides on how to optimize your Shopify store further. Until next time, happy selling!